In this video, I'm going to show you one of the promo code to use in India. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. If you're in India looking for one of the promo code to use, what you have to do is to come over here and click on registration. When you choose registration, you're going to choose the option that says by email address. This is the only option that is going to allow you to activate a promo code in OneXBet. So to do that, click on by email and then fill in your surname and name. In your country, you're going to search India. When you search India, your currency is also going to change to the Indian rupee. Fill in your date of birth and your email address correctly. Put in a valid phone number, and in the password section, you're going to create a password. To create a password, you're going to use these four requirements. After creating your password, come out to the promo code box and put the promo code LEOTV. If you use promo code LEOTV, one is going to give you a 10% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $200 as bonus. Once you're done, hit on those three boxes and register account. Complete your first deposit immediately you're done creating your account.